Thank you for joining us for another Series NRX accessory tutorial video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install and remove an operation counter. An operation counter is a mechanical device used to provide a record of the number of circuit operations. It can be viewed through the breaker's front cover. To install, you will need all of the following tools and parts. One No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver, one No. 1 Phillips head screwdriver, one operations counter kit, which is ordered from Eaton. It includes the following: one operation counter, one counter lever, one M3 by 0.5 5mm long mounting screw, and one M2 by 0.4 8mm long mounting screw and nut. In this section, we will demonstrate how to construct the operation counter assembly, install the counter assembly, and reattach the front cover. Before proceeding with the installation, you must remove the front cover of the circuit breaker. If you have a 3-pole breaker, you must remove the 4 non-captive screws with a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. If you have a 4-pole breaker, there are 6 screws to be removed. Make sure you save the screws for reinstallation. Once you've done this, pull down on the charging handle for easy removal of the cover from the circuit breaker. Loosely install the counter lever on the counter's shaft using the 8mm long screw and nut. Do not completely tighten the screw. To install the counter assembly, mount it to the counter bracket with the 5mm long mounting screw. The bracket is located on the breaker front and has threaded holes for the mounting screw. Torque the mounting screw to 44 inches per ounce. After you've completed the installation, you must reattach the front cover of the circuit breaker. To do this, first pull down on the manual charging handle, then position the front cover on the breaker. Make sure the cover fits inside the side sheet tabs. Once the front cover is properly positioned, secure it to the breaker with the 4 non-captive screws you removed earlier. Make sure you secure all the screws you previously removed. In this section, we will demonstrate how to remove an operation counter. To remove the operation counter, first remove the cover, then loosen the mounting screw from the counter bracket and remove the counter assembly. This completes the operation counter tutorial. For additional tutorials and information on Eaton's Series NRX breakers, please visit us at eaton.com/Series NRX. For questions or further support, please contact your local Eaton sales representative.